Shatta Wale, and yes, we are global or musical icon and cow dance and I'm telling you. Oh my, you will be talk on one day, you're too. That's the fact. It is stop being say you are not special, you are nobody. Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bros. Maybe I'll be able to check a scene at Emma. Shatta Wale, any yokos, and why omanya issues. Now, issue na say car be a Lamborghini, one of the latest cars are MCF 2019 model. And on a Shatta Wale crime. Now, according to sources, no man be a sabe wire fraud and near no FBI tracing if you American. I just say man only can order to talk to big cars. Na no bi na car ba akodi Shatta Wale nsem a sebe yoko ekọ ho ambrasie mu na eni omoje car no na ya giwie as usual Shatta sometimes no I don't know what's wrong with him but we say kotie ba ya beto as yen kwabra
on that fateful day was the most scariest thing that traumatized me up to now, but I've kept my cool. Baba, we enter the office inside no. I can't sit down here because you know see me, you know my office, me too, all my big men Charlie, me, quite me I whether people they see me I get money, I don't get me. If I see anybody where get money pass me, they from higher power pass me, my respect there, forget. So I just they stand there where you know when they walk from me, there's the camp. They tell me say, listen, Shatta, Edu wine is going down. Listen to what I'm saying, Ghana. So that if somebody come my house, where I say I'm not gonna go anywhere. Make nobody come even tell me, say, Shatta, what did you know they try? It's too much. Why? They use power, they abuse people. Why? For your office, they give me warning. See, if I don't know, they do wine, they go down. And if I want to go down with the wine, he doesn't give a fuck about it. But he's telling me that wherever all the cars that they do wine has given me and I'm hiding, if I don't show them, he will take me, he will give me to the FBI or whatever. And I say, oh, come on, relax for me. Oh, come on, yeah, come here in peace. Like the way you talk, like, come on, yeah, this matter you talk. I don't know anything about this matter. I'm telling you, the cars that he has given you, we know. He says he changed it. Listen to this statement. That's what Reymond tell me. Say, Edu Boy say they change my cars every 6 months. My fans know my cars I use. When I buy car, they post for evidence sake to my fans. Because they made me who I am today. So I don't post my things for anybody, just my fans to motivate them. He watched my face and told me that if I want to go down with the Dubai, that one day he doesn't give a fuck about it. Tell me, where I go do politics for? Where I go do campaign for? We invest for office like that, they talk to me. I don't be anybody, but I be somebody from God. God say make I no fear face. God. After this matter, I'll leave this matter for you. Don't even try and say you invite me. Like, but go be Yama for Ghana. Because this kind of matter, we they talk about and you did. I'm okay. For the office, if this matter they talk no, then I beg. Then let me just leave you to do your investigation because me I don't want any criminal thing around. This one they help me. That is how come. I didn't even drive the car there. I called my drivers, one of my drivers, to drive the car there. Because I tell them, say I want help and make you doing this investigation. Because me have to say if you do one matter, we hear me they talk. But if you do one matter, we hear me they talk. I beg them, I know they inside. But you see the shooting. That's what Reymond you tell me for your office. That's why I hold the Bible. That's why I hold the Bible. That God did there, Reymond. That God did there. This is not the talk, my God. Let them know. That is too much. He tell me for your office, say they shoot somebody for the car inside. That be when I surrender. That be when I say, hey, they shoot somebody for the car. No, me no find problem. There. Where I cannot say, he say my the documents, the Lamo in documents stop. Some guy did a nana. I say, Chama, I don't know the person. That me the cars more they buy. The people say where did they ship? And not be them that they can't sell for me. I don't know the person. So that one day I don't know. It's okay, fine. They make sure say I will go show them. Listen, another thing. I'll go show them where. With the rent one a cars for if I they go show. What's that one? Me I know the rent car. If my team wait if they go someplace, did they free rent some few SUVs for some companies? So that one they will go show them. So I even assisted them to go and see some rental because they say they won't make sure say like they do why not they give me cars. I say yes. So they go verify the thing. After that one, as they go check if them are CID one, some name like that. Where you say they go check everything, but if anything they will give me feedback. That be all. So I even help to show you where we rent our cars. I do wrong here. From my house, you come take car, everything. You never spoke about any nanamwa or something. Why do you want to spread lies into the brains of the people? That's like that nanamwa where you can sell the car for me. So that's why people investigate the thing. Oh, I mean, I'll be smart boy. I'll not be bad boy. Maybe you will do your office sometimes. Then sometimes one of you just make mistake. See, Shatta Wale be disrespectful. I am never disrespectful. I am just real to the things we are the talk of. I am just truthful. That be my life.
And Shatta, they be a catch you say you have to be a matured person. Stop putting blame on others instead of focusing yourself. Me pacho anya bia ye wo hoi sa kodie ya friend no. Stone boy ya friend no so abewia. We have to be careful. No we no. Ana Reymond acha. I say so no so head you ko any ought to be my Shatta. What small minds are young. You go to on some
retention. And it is one of the issues that I have been fighting for, which I think my predecessor has also been fighting for. Mr. Chairman, is a very commonsensical request, and I will explain to you why. At two levels, because at the first level, we are working with partners. So the FBI, the National Crime Agency of the UK, the Royal Mounted Police of Canada. The volume of crime that is transported to our country is significant. And you are looking at, for example, luxury cars, for example. We have cases here that has been around for 2 years. These are crimes that are committed by people not within our borders. But somehow, because the destination of the crime or the proceed is here, we are compelled to work with our partners to unravel it. And when we do, we literally have to be sending money and assets in whole back to these countries because we don't have a retention law.
Shatta Wale, and yes, we are global or musical icon and cow dance. I'm telling you. On my year, when we talk on one day, you too. That is the facts. It is stop being said you are not special. You are nobody. You are not. If you say you are somebody be in God, I mean to I'm somebody in God. A high time, my Shatta, you have to take responsibility for your actions. And we are one. Sabi nipa me hu nipa bebre. Ba nipa ba ko a me hu se wanyeska enye me yane obi on take responsibility. There be an issues ba or try say or obe blaming the issues on somebody instead of taking responsibility now or making sure say issue we NCB. Masa, this is a very serious issue. FBI international way no more tracking down one can ani hu se oho no more ba hu brasem ni afaka na ya nchewa. You go on air and rant. Say stupid things and then some small boys too will support you stupidly. But law is law. Uwiaka ye chew. Uwiaka ye chew. Obiko wiade no betoma wa ye chew. If you don't know, that is the law. It is about not because of your status. Not sabi ya fa hankof agusa. Not sabi ya jawa. Don't go and be doing stupid things and saying things which don't have sense. Shatta, you're fond of doing that, and your people support you because of your ideology, but me, I won't support you. You need to be wise. When you when you papa about 40 so nyakola it is time you behave like a mature person where you for camera and a year dey ade ne say car no want to ye yen nyina atoto cars bi a it landed us into trouble and we cooperate with the agencies. We didn't come on social media to rant. And most of ranting them no massa there are laws in the country. Oh talk I saw shemu ye oh talk on car can we buy I said ya Shatta account baby binti I expose yes ade we ye be follow baby e be ko bi ya ye be ko subscribe share it to my now so I can be manuasi.